friends, welcome to my channel. As you can see, the product which we will be unboxing today is like Philips 3000 series beard trimmer. I got it from Amazon Big Billion Sale and the cost is approximately around 1700 rupees. You get a cheaper version of this as well, starting rupees 950, but this is 1700 because it has like around 60 minutes of charging and it works both with wire and wireless. Also it trims at 0.5 as the company says. So let us just open it and see what is inside the box. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so as you could see, the box is pretty neat and clean, and when I open it, the first thing what I can see is here is like 1 year extra warranty card. This is a manual book, and I think this is the same warranty book with all different languages. When I look at further, I see a charger. Okay, a pretty decent charger, good quality from Philips. You could see branding. Apart from that, I have a pouch, a carry pouch. It is not a great quality. It is a simple paper pouch, what you can see, with a zip. And when I go into further, what I could see is, I think device is here in this particular box. So it is okay. I also have a small brush here to clean the device, and this is where I find the box, and it is pretty tricky to open this. Okay, as soon as I open it, I see my trimmer, the actual machine. Nice army green color, good handy feel, quite durable it feels like. Okay, this is how I put it on. I think because it has limited battery, it is giving me a red indication. Okay, and this is how you can change the adjustments, all up to 10, level 10. Okay, so what all things I get it in the box. I'm just placing everything here for you to see. So a pouch, charger, machine, brush, and some paperwork. So this all what I get in the Philips trimmer 3000 series. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my channel, please subscribe.